Hello everybody, welcome back to T Spicer Reacts. If you happen to be new and this is your first time watching one of my reactions, my name is T, and in this reaction I will be checking out a suggestion from one of my patron members, Philip P, who also gave me a small donation. Let's be real, he gave me a very generous donation to make sure that this was at the head of the line. And I still didn't get time to do this, so I apologize, Philip, because, well, you had a couple of others that I know I needed to get through first. This is a band that I did earlier. I think I did this week or last week. You know, my memory, it's like, and it's gone. But the name of the band is Shakatak, and the song that they will be singing is Nightbirds. This time around, instead of like a live session, sort of, this will be a live performance in Japan, and was recorded in 1984. So I really dug their performance the last time, although they had a guest saxophonist who was très magnifique. I know all the French people are going to tell me, what kind of accent is that? But I try. Anyway, guys, I'm so enthused for reacting to this one because, I don't know, for all you jazz enthusiasts, you'll get what I'm saying. Anybody else, I'm sorry, next time. But this is pure jazz. Not fusion, not a walk or take a break somewhere else. This is jazz. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you stick around till the end and enjoy exactly what we are about to react to. Before we jump in, just a bit of housekeeping. The link to the video will of course be in the description box below, as well as Shakatak's links wherever they may be, whether it's a link to the YouTube page or whatever links they may have still. I'm going to put that in the description box below. I will also have links where you can connect with me, join my live stream, community, Patreon, and the like. And even if you want to support the channel even further. Alright? Lighthouse work. Right? Anyway, let's dive right in. We have a thrill today. Alright, if you're ready, I am 100% ready. Let's go. To me, not only this time round, it's not only just pure jazz. I'm hearing a little bit of funk, maybe a little bit of disco, not really disco, but definitely funk for sure, which is very, very nice. I now remembered that the reason why he, sent the contribution is because the video was there was a lot longer than I usually accept. So it's 8 minutes and 22 seconds. So sit down, strap your seatbelt in, and have some popcorn or whatever it is you're snacking on, and let's watch some great music. All right, here we go. Very 80s hairstyle. So they were much stronger for sure. I really love the use of the synthesizer, because synthesizers were really big back in the 1980s, especially around that time. I now entered high school, but you all could consider high school, we say secondary school. And it was huge. I think that was the time of, I think Michael had just come out with Thriller, Boy George and George Michael and Madonna. Oh man, everybody was reigning back then. Doing her thing over there. I don't want to interrupt too many times because, as I said before, it's a pretty long video. But I will note that, I don't know if y'all watched the last video. I'll put the link to the video right here, right now. But they were definitely a lot older than they are now, obviously. It's a newer video. But also, she's standing up in front of the percussion set because she actually plays the percussion in the band, which I find is totally rad. Here we go. I just mentioned that. Or should I say you're getting somebody audio from my headphones? My bad.
Okay, come on everybody, let's see you with your hands up, come on. Let's jump up and down the road, come on.
I didn't know my headphones were so loud.
Okay. Woo. Before we leave you, I'd like to say on behalf of Shakatak, everybody here has been Sun Plaza here in Tokyo. Domo arigato. Thank you very much for coming to see us this evening. We hope we'll see you again sometime soon. Until then, sayonara. Thank you. Good night. Thank you.
And do you think they didn't have? Don't think they had any backup singers in the last video. I'm not sure, but I think everybody else is still there. Yeah, bass, sing it. Alright, so you get the band. And she plays flute too. Damn. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'm glad we get to see, like, this was like probably a VHS. This is what they used to do back then. And if anybody doesn't know what a VHS is, wrong channel. It's a channel of old fogies. I would love to know. You know, that's not to interrupt, but that is an actual question I would like to ask. So I'll ask it when it's finished. Oh, that was so cool. Oh man, I missed this in the 80s for sure. I was definitely on a whole different train back in the 80s. I told you that I was seriously into MJ, seriously into Madonna. Don't even talk about the new wave from England. I was guru gaga over all Human League and all these sort of bands. Oh man, so I would have never been, you know, into jazz and things. That came later. I mean, it always was there when I was much, much younger, but when I hit that age, had no time for that anymore. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. That was super, super, super cool. The question I wanted to ask, and I'm being bold here, is I want you to put in the comment section, because I've always wanted to make this survey. I doubt I can actually get at through this, but I'm hoping. If you have, tell me what age bracket that you all are. I would love to see, you know, the age of people that actually follow my channel or come to my channel. If you're the over 50 crew, the over 40 crew, the over 30 crew, or below that, that will be super cool. And if you, of course, you don't want to put that, that's entirely up to you, but that will be super, super. All right. All right, guys, that's it for me. Thank you so, so, so much, Philip P, for once again providing us with a bit of not only history, but very cool music. Why am I saying so much cool? The amount of cool that I've said in this video, you can literally make a drinking game. Anyway, guys, I would see you basically very, very soon. Yeah? And as per usual, you know, if you enjoyed this video, to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I am on the road to 5,000. I have just crossed 2,000. And that's really, 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 I don't know, my fault. But I'm trying to get to 5,000 before my birthday, which is quickly coming up in less than 3 months. So we have got some work to do. I've got some work to do. So please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button to press of all the latest content when it drops. And I would see you next time, right? So everyone, be safe, be you, do no harm to others, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye, everybody.